Welcome everyone to this amazing new Google Merchant Center misrepresentation restoration case study where the user cannot do further reviews and Google permanently suspended their GMC account. How we restored. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm on honor of a Google partner company. I'm also Google certified, Facebook certified, and Bing Ad certified, plus SEO certified, and have been working in digital marketing industry from the last 17 or 18 years. And we have been solving now. Me and my team have been solving out Google Merchant Center suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Ads suspension, Google Ads management audit. So right now we have solved like hundreds, or you probably can say thousands of GMC stores, and you can see many videos on my YouTube channel. Now this is another successful case study, so I will go step by step on how we were able to restore the Google Merchant Center account over here. So now let's get started over here. This is the website. You can see over here that this is the website of the account for which they were trying to restore their GMC. You can see over here. So you can see over here they are offering mobile cases over here. They are also offering phone accessories. You can see over here high quality accessories for Apple Watch. You can see over here this is the website. So now I'm going to show you the suspension messages, and then we can get started on them. So here I have created this directory. You can see over here that the account has misrepresentation, where you can see over here during the review you requested on 11th October 2024. Right now it's 7th March. This is before they tried every means to restore their own self before they handled this case to our agency. Google found that this issue will continue to have an impact on your products. Your merchant center is now suspended and you can't request further reviews. So there was no reviews over there. Google found this issue through a manual check. You can see over here. I'm going to show you additional ones as well, like this is another picture. Here you can see that they have around 9,995 products over here with all and the red mark over here. And you can see over here this is another account suspension case over here. So now for people asking how much time it takes, I can't be really I can't say like I often see clients coming and say I want to get my account restored within 5 days. No, unfortunately this is not possible. I cannot claim it. Yeah, we have solved cases within 24 hours, within 48 hours, as soon as possible. No, but I cannot guarantee. Some cases they will take us 2 to 3 months. I have a team working with me and still it take us 2 to 3 months. Why? Because it requires patience. You have to be patient. Also for this case we provided them an alternate Google Merchant Center account from our Google partner agency. However, the compliance of the website, the compliance of the policies, and the compliance of everything is necessary before getting this Google Merchant Center restored. So understand these things, that you have to get it sorted. Now I'm going to show you a few of the things, and then we can discuss over here. As a Google partner, we have a dedicated support. I'm going to show you over here that as per checking during the review request, Google found out that the issue will continue to have an impact on your product. Your merchant center is now suspended and you can't request further reviews. We cannot process further reviews on this account. Even the wider team can no longer perform reviews on this. So we provided them an alternate account. However, there were further things which we did. I'm going to show you step by step on the audits we did and how we were able to get it restored. So I can start from over here. So this is a kind of the first okay, for those who don't know, what we do is whenever there is a case, what we do is we completely evaluate the whole website for any possible error. Even we look for the contact us page, even we look for the robots.txt, page speed, Google search console error, social media errors. Even the errors on your social media pages also count. So we look for those, and sometimes what people do is they put different emails over there on their social media pages and on the website different email. So ideally I recommend that the email should be from your domain, and that should also be the same should be over on the social media. Social media should have active engagements, no replica or counterfeit products as a standard policy. So now let's move on to the reviews, and this is the landing page issue. So you can see over here that there was a pop-up found, which is not allowed. Sometimes if your website having pop-up, that is not allowed. And also the website do not have any testimonials. Also there was no newsletter. Okay, please try to understand, these are recommendations. Google wants to have you wants you to have a professional website, these compliances will also help you in increasing more customers and making more money. So it's a win-win for you guys. Apart from this newsletter was not being found, UI and UX needs to be updated to have a more better user experience, so we are actually helping you with CR conversion rate optimization as well with these strategies. So you can see over here the header side needed to be reduced over here. You can see over here you can see over here that how there was a lot of blank space over here, so we suggested reducing it. Apart from this, adding another color here as to improve the theme combination is actually losing the user interest, so which we do not want it to happen. And we suggested some things for the footer as well, because the footer with this contact form wasn't actually suitable, viable. You can see over here that how long it is going to be, and we wanted to all have in the same space, because there is right and left there is a free black space which actually removes their professionalism. So we also have a developer in our team as well, which helps the clients with those issues as well. So you can see over here that we also suggest to have unique content. Guys, there should not be plagiarism content on your website. That should be an ultimate thing. Also, you do not need to use copied images. You need to use high quality images. In case if you do not have, my team is going to help you in creating those high quality images as well. Also, some pages was missing, like do not sell my information, plus the social media icon, you showed that you have social media presence on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, in Pinterest. However, they were not clickable. They cannot find those. So this actually also creates a lack of authenticity, because people cannot find you on Facebook. Okay, also, the addresses need to be clickable. Your opening hours should be mentioned. The time zone should be mentioned along with your opening hours. As people don't know, which time zone you are belong to. You can't say 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for which time zone. Everybody in this world belongs to a different time zone. So this needed to be mentioned over here. Also, we suggested like social media icon should be added on your contact us page. VAT number should be over there. VAT number in business information. Double refund and return policy over here. However, just to let you know that the client do not have a VAT. We didn't know while doing this audit. However, as per confirmation, the client do not have any VAT number, but we got it approved without having the VAT number. The refund return policy over here, some information changes over there. You can see over here that the contradicting statement over here. You can see over here that the return statement on this page, and above with the 14 days of receipt, you can see over here that the return window actually have contradicting statements. So this needed to be sorted out. This need mixed confusion. This calls misrepresentation, or otherwise your site can also be suspended for website or online store needs improvement. So these things Google takes very serious, and majority of the time people do not say it everywhere. So we suggested highlighting dates everywhere, adding disclaimer. Unnecessary spacing is also a cause of concern. So you can see over here that the unnecessary space over here is also Google does not like it. You should have rightly link your pages over here. You can see over here unnecessary page in all of this: store name, space, company name, a lot of unnecessary page. Also payment policy, you need to have your currency as well needed to be added. Whenever this a case like this arrive, what we do is we do the testing on the website as well. For instance, if this is a website, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the simple checkout. I'm going to look for the payment methods over here. I'm going to select for different colors and do trial testing out for if everything is working well. Fine. If I'm trying to add multiple product quantity, if everything working well, checkout page is working well, more payment options being shown or not, shipping policy over here or on your other pages of your website all matches with everything. The images are unique, the contact form is unique, the content is unique, your everything is professional. You are here to help. You can see over here the social media icons are working fine. The payment methods displayed over here are actually available or not. The track your order page is working fine or not as suggested. Now the website had do not sell my information, imprint, a lot of pages. These pages were suggested by my team to add, and my team also overlooked in creating all those pages, also helping the client to get plagiarism free. Shipping page, you can see over here that different timing zones over there was being present, like last order time over here it's a GMT +1, and then they are saying Central European Standard Time and Amsterdam, and on other pages of the website the time zone did not reflect, so this causes confusion. Again, statement is contradicting. When they're doing the checkout, the logo actually becomes different, so this also causes misrepresentation. So you can see over here different policies on footer and different policies on the checkout page also confuses. is because everything also needed to be matched with your GMC. So you need to have same policy on footer, checkout page, and on your GMC Google Merchant Center account. So all should have same policy. So plagiarism is also being found, and you can see over the speed is very slow. Now, speed is not actually a necessary checklist. However, it is a recommended checklist because once this gets suspended, Google is going to look on a deep for every small error to get it sorted. Another dead links over here was being found. Now this is the first audit. Now multiple audits were done and done by a lot of team members because every member thinks differently. So why what we do is we keep on doing audits to get it approved. Another audit, I'm just showing you over here that they suggested to add support phone, email, shipping, heading, return policy page in announcement bar over here, clickable. Favicon image is missing over here. You can see over the logo is missing Favicon image. Also the robots.txt file, if sometimes it's a robots.txt file is confusing and it is not allowing to get approved, and we have discussed various times with the Google team and they have raised the robots.txt file as an active checklist point as well. Banners text colliding with the button. You can see over here that the button and the text is colliding with each other, actually making it unprofessional. You can see over here that it is a same content, same description with 3 different products. You can see over here paid text with an image. So this actually is also not acceptable. Low quality images, too much shop now button on homepage, shop now. When things becomes exaggerating, the guy also actually do not like this thing. So as a professional, this is also not good thing. Alignment need to be better. Only Instagram is active. Also make sure all social media active buttons are added with business information, phone, email, as well as active bio. Alignment for other pages, company name, the contact form should not have any placeholder in it. You can see over here that the about us has a 1 over here. It means that it lacks professionalism. So we suggested rechanging the page URL. CO's note, we suggested adding the CO's note. Changes for the shipping policy. Email address should be clickable so anyone can click it and will directly contact the contact. Our customer page should also be clickable over here. Refund small changes over here. You can see over here a lot of stuff was being done for low quality logo on the checkout page. So you can see over here we look for small things as well over here. Also for the no mention of express or insured shipping on shipping policy page. So what happened, so these things, like over here you are mentioning over insured shipping. So you have to mention in your shipping policy how you're insuring it, what is the amount of it being insured, what is priority express shipping, how many days you are going to get with the priority express shipping, any weight or kg restrictions. So everything need to be mentioned. Also we recommended having the page speed to minimum of 80 level. Apart from this, there were, so many audits were being done. If I'm going to show you, you're gonna like, oh, that's crazy. You can see over here another audit, and you can see over here changes for the announcement bar. Now this was done. My team sorted out the link. The few fixes were also being done. You can see over here, done over here, which my team did. You can see over here shipping policy pages, small changes done. You can see over here the team is working. Extra spaces, license, and every sometimes people do not know because most of the time people are just copying and Google do not like it. So we need to have it original, worked around. You can see over here small to small, site for reference. So you can see over here small things. We also, what we do is we do the comparison with other approved GMCs for the compliance of this website. So we also look for this as well for what changes we did to other websites to make this website as a compliant. So we do the comparison of those as well. Extra spacing, you see over here, small things. Imprint, improve alignment. Alignment is also a very big concern over here. Also product page should have detailed product description. I recommend having a detailed description on those as well. Disclaimer should be over there, and I can show you even more. This is a kind of an implementation. You can see over here the staff did the implementation. See it over here, looking around for small pages, small things done. You can see over here another page over here where the shop this collection page needed to be clicked. Previously it was overlapping it. Now it's solved, but other issues coming up, so everything needed to be sorted. Alignment issues, some small changes with the address issues. Sometimes we also recommend having a Google My Business profile being linked. However, it is not necessary, but it is recommended to have a Google Business profile link. Other small pages, other wrong links over here, broker links, wrong links. Also you can see over here that the policies for damage, non-damage should also match. Return windows, everything, sometimes it's confusing for the customer. Google do not allow it. Some minor changes. Mention 6 to 9 business days for shipping policies. So small things, and also some dead links, broken links will keep on coming. I can show you a lot of audits being done. Now you can see over here the plagiarism was 71%, which we needed to get it sorted. You can see over here there was also malware check, and you can see over here that we also check for virus scans, we also check for plugins, we also check for placeholders. Small things to small to small details over here is being checked over here. Spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, products mistakes, links checking, everything is being done. Now people think that this is a small thing. No, it takes a lot of time of me and my team to have this approved. If we suggested adding HTML, contact form should needed to be aligned, reviews needed to be added, Google Business profile was not being found. Some basic changes over here. Also we helped them in establishing their social media presence, so a lot was being done. And after this you can see over here that that once we provided them with another GMC, let me make it big. You can see over here that your identity is verified and you may proceed to request a review. Majority of the time what happens is that when we provide them an account of a GMC and that lacks, they first of all they get suspended for identity verification, and people like, oh, my GMC is suspended. No, we are here to help you guys. Me and my team is here to help you to get it approved. We are here to get you approved. So we did it, and then I can show you over here also that we did not have any VAT. So because VAT is optional, not necessary. If you have VAT, do add it. If you don't, it's fine. And just to let you know that this was for UK. You can see over here that it is for UK. All products, you can see over here that this is for the UK. The products were need to be shown in the UK market. And then once after discussing with the Google team and everything, we finally did the request review. All of the time it's not necessary that we are going to request a review. We can raise to a wider team as well. As a Google partner, we have a dedicated support for them. And you can see over here that we got our email that dear Google Merchant Center, the requested review of misrepresentation has been completed and the issue no longer appears in your Merchant Center account. So you can see over here this is an approval. And I'm going to show you another approval as well, and this is a second approval. You can see over here for this second approval, I'm going to show you with this one that the products is now approved over here, and you can see over here that this is now approved. And I'm going to show you live as well, so guys have clear idea for the budget we provide. It's now officially approved over here. So you can see over here that it is finally approved. So yeah, this is another detailed successful case study where the original user can't even do further reviews. We provided them an alternate account, solved out their GMC policies, website issues, Google Merchant Center issues, Shopify issues to get it in approved. So yeah, in case if you need our help in restoring your Google Merchant Center account, either you are hosting in WordPress, Shopify, or any other platform, me and my team can help you. Either your error is misrepresentation or any other error, me and my team is over there to help you. In case if you need help with Google Ad suspensions, Google Ad disapproval, or even if you want us to run your Google shopping campaigns, or if you want us to help you in landing page development, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.